Okay, I want to give a short introduction to CPT 431 Java Programming Principles 2. My name is Terrell Hebert, and a little bit about me. I live and work in Stuttgart, Germany as a business process analyst slash knowledge management engineer for the U.S. government. This course runs from February 18th through March 31st. And I wanted to let you know a few things about this course. So one thing is that we'll be holding our first live session on Thursday night, the 21st of February at 19:30 Central Standard Time. I'll be on travel that time, but I will come in at a certain time and run the live session. Usually the first session is about orientation of the course, class expectations, and fielding any questions you may have about the Java course. So for this course, we will be using, starting out with Java, from control structures through objects, 6th edition by Tony Gaddis. I want to remind you, it is the 6th edition that we're running. You may see some other editions up in the bookstore or in Amazon or other locations, but for this course, we are utilizing the 6th edition. It's the edition with the pineapple on it. So if you're not sure you got the right book, if you see the pineapple on it, that is the correct book you're going to need for this course. So we also will be utilizing NetBeans, which is a program where you can run all Java applications and for this course. So first of all, I would recommend going to faculty and course information links and take a look at the syllabus. You'll see some items there. It gives the book. It gives the weekly grades for the course that are assigned for each section. Let's take a look at that, and I just want to open that up real quick. I'll send this out to you guys a week before class. I just want to open that up and really take a look at the syllabus. It has my contact information in it. It has my late policy. It has the book information in there. It has the requirements for the course, discussion assignments, the number of assignments, final project quizzes, and the total points. And it gives a little course, quick glance at the course. You'll see that here in the syllabus. I really encourage you to read the syllabus because I follow the syllabus to the T. So let me close this out. So I want to go back to the announcements and just cover a couple things. So my late policy. I realize a lot of you are either active duty military, working full-time, deployed, or you may even be stateside or full-time job trying to raise a family and trying to get your degree. I understand life happens. The big thing with me is that you communicate that you're having some type of an issue or you're struggling with the assignment in as much advance notice as you can. Something comes up and you need some extra time to complete your project. All I request is that you communicate that to me, and I will respond accordingly. So, don't try and take advantage of the late policy. It's there for a reason. It's there to assist you, especially when life situations come up. If you can, email me 24 hours in advance if your assignment will be late. After 2 days, you'll receive an F grade for the assignment. So take a look at the grading rubrics. So take a look at the discussion rubric and the writing assignment rubrics. I require all discussion rubrics and writing assignment rubrics to be in some type of an APA format, especially for your writing assignments. If you don't know anything about APA formatting, it's what Southwestern goes by. So please take a look at that, at the APA guidelines. Also, another great site is called the Purdue OWL, which gives you some great pointers on the APA style guides. So for your discussion, what I'm really looking for that relates to APA format is listing and citing references in your discussion post or in your responses to other students' posts. You don't have to try and put a cover letter on that. I look for quality post with references listed and cited in your discussions. The writing assignments, those are in accordance with the APA style guide, where you get your cover letter and your reference page, and you list and cite your references in the body of your document. So let's go back to discussions to talk about those a little bit. So in order to get the full credit for each discussion, you need to respond to at least 2 other students with a quality post. So let me repeat that. In order to get full credit for your discussion post, you need to respond to at least 2 other students' posts. That's a hard and fast rule that also shows me that you're actively participating in the course. So I'm just going to walk through a typical unit for this course. What you're going to see, you're going to see the learning objectives up at the top, assigned reading and preparation activities. You're going to see the graded work that's due and when it's due by. So assignments are always due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Quizzes are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And Unit 1 discussions, take a look at the below. Your original discussion post is due on Wednesday by 11:59 Central Standard Time. Your peer responses, meaning at least 2 responses to 2 other students' posts, is also due on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Check the discussion board throughout the week and reply to those learners who responded to your original post. So you'll see each week you'll see the learning objectives, assigned reading and preparation activities, graded work due, your introductions about this chapter or about this unit. You'll have a Unit 1 unit discussion, and you'll have a unit assignment, and you'll also have a unit quiz. If you complete the quiz and you see a question that you think should have been marked correct and it was marked incorrect, please do not hesitate to send me an email. I'm Terrell.Hebert at Terrell.Hebert at southwestern.edu, or I think it's let me go back here to the syllabus. I think it is. Yeah, I misspoke on that. So it's Terrell.Hebert at sccans.edu is my email address. It's also in the course syllabus. And my phone number is in there also. It's 813-944-7005 is my number. So that number is a Florida number. It does ring at my house in Stuttgart, Germany. I am 7 hours ahead of Central Standard Time. So if you call, please leave a message and I will call you back within 24 hours. You don't want me to pick up your phone because it will cost you dialing that number, even though it is a local cell number. So just call it and leave a message and let me know what your name and what your issue is, and I'll call you back within 24 hours. Preferred method is to send me an email. That's the quickest way possible to get a hold of me, and I will return your message within 24 hours. Please put the please put the name of the course, Java Program Principles 2, in your subject line of your email. I teach a couple of courses, so that prevents me from confusing you with another course. So that helps me out a lot when you do that. So we talked about the quiz. What else we talked about? I wanted to discuss the class questions board. You'll see here up top. This is a great forum for the course. If you have a question about this week's topic or you're having an issue, please do not hesitate to post your question in the class question board. And the reason why that is because there may be another student in the course that is having the exact same issue. This way you can get an answer to your issue as soon as possible. I check this on a daily basis. I also check my email on a daily basis. But this is a great area. So don't forget to go in and do an introduction under introductions. You will see, introduce yourself. Let me know a little bit about you. What else? So that's just a quick introduction. Like I said, the first live session will be on Thursday, 21 February at 19:30 Central Standard Time. And I'll be going over class orientation and class expectations for that first live session. So again, welcome to Java Programming Principles 2. Hope you have a great semester.